Hello, 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 it's Dolly. Welcome to my channel, Scrapping on the Go. This process video is for Mini Kit Monday with Becky, Daisy, Kathy, Shannon, Tracy, and myself. And our mood inspiration piece comes to us by our lovely founder of Mini Kit Monday group, and that is Becky. And we are honoring her granddaughter's birthday. She turns 2 in August. And Becky came up with this fun, bright, creative mood inspiration piece that says, "Happy birthday, Tutti Frutti 2." In addition, she also has suggested items for your kit that you can include that spells out Tutti Frutti. So for T, thread. So here is my thread that I picked out, a yellow, an orange, and this mint color. Next for W, because we're spelling out the word two right now, so T is for thread, W is for white cardstock. So right now I have 3 included in this kit. Next is 1 package of enamel dots or sequins. So I have sequins that you will see will go with the pattern paper. So I have the yellow and the pink and the mint in here, and then a darker green, and then I have some orange. Right now we're seeing a lot of red here on this one. So I chose sequins. And then for O, that was for O, 1 package. Now we're back at Tutti, so for T is 10 pattern papers. So here are my 10 pattern papers. My jumping off point with my pattern paper is the Summer Vibes collection from Close to My Heart. There'll be 4 layouts completed in the month of August. I may do a bonus, but we're supposed to have 10 papers to pick, and I think I have 1 extra, so I have 11. These 2 top pattern papers are from Simple Stories, and this top one is from Summer Farmhouse, and so is this red polka dot Summer Farmhouse, and I paired it with this checkerboard, or I say it's not checkerboard. I keep saying checkerboard, don't I? It's a plaid. Why do I say that? Why haven't you ladies corrected me? I just realized that I have been saying that. This plaid paper, so this red and white plaid paper is from Close to My Heart, Summer Vibes. Then like I said, I took the 2 papers from Simple Stories, Summer Farmhouse. So we've got the red with the white polka dot and the flower, and I paired those 2 together. So that's 3. Then I have here French Kiss from Doodlebug. Isn't this beautiful? This bright red, this navy blue, this bright pink, and that mint, and paired it again with the Summer Vibes. This one that looks like ocean waves on one side. The other side is the palm leaves, which I'm not a fan of. I'm just not a fan of that. So I paired it like that. So now we've got 5 papers. This next one is from Echo Park, Summer Adventures. This is a 2019 collection, and in the Summer Vibes paper pack you get 2 of each, so I am pairing it with the Summer Vibes again. So that's 7. And then this is Close to My Heart, Summer Vibes. We have this side here as well, so I could use either side. I think I'm going to go with those 2 like that. So I've got that right there. So that's 9. And then this will be 10, 11. Again, Close to My Heart, Summer Vibes. And then we have Dear Lizzie, Stay Colorful. I chose it for this side here. I could go that side as well if I was going to do maybe a double spread, double layout. You could use this too with that yellow. I don't know, but that's what I selected. I know I want to use one side of this pattern paper and I want to use the other, so we'll see what happens. That's 11. All right, for the second T in the Tutti Frutti, so we're to have 2 sticker sheets. Well, I have 1 sticker sheet from the Summer Vibes from Close to My Heart, and I didn't know what to throw in, so I have a sticker book here from American Crafts, or I've got the chipboard, which we do have Y for your choice, but I have something else for that. So I don't know. We're going to say, I don't know. So anyway, we're going to call this my sticker sheets. Then inks. So I just grabbed this pan of my little distressed inks because it has all the colors in that paper selection and sticker sheet. So there's my inks. 5 buttons, and I need to bring back a white paper because I know that's probably going to get blurry. So let's bring a white paper. So there I have 3 yellow buttons and 2 pink buttons. And then for underlining or outlining, I've got my pens in a number 5 and 8 because they're thick. Inking edges, tools, I'll bring in my tools. I'm not sure what pictures I'm documenting, so I don't know what tools I want to use, but most likely I will be using my Creative Memories items. And then of your choice, this is where I'm kind of stuck on your choice. With the Summer Vibes from Close to My Heart, we have these acrylic pieces. So this was for the Y, your choice. So that's what I had out there for my choice. All right, guys, that is my fun kit using the inspiration piece that Becky provided us. I will have all the ladies' links listed below in the description box. So be sure to go check out the products they use to put their August kit together. Let me just fan this out. Also, remember we have a Facebook group, so if you would like to play along, which we would love for you to play along, that link is listed below, and what you want to do is take a photograph, snap a photograph of your kit that you've put together, upload it to the August album on Facebook, and then create a layout each week and upload it. We love it if you can do it on Monday, but if you have to do it on Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, doesn't matter. Or if you have to create all 4 of your layouts in 1 week, that's fine. But we do like it when you can post once a week and bring inspiration to all of us and even our members. All right, I appreciate you all. Get out your photographs, document those memories in a fun, creative way using your August kit. Remember to hop along, like I said, all the ladies' links to their channel are listed below. Show love by giving thumbs up. That brings traffic to our channel so that YouTube knows that people like seeing our videos, and there are viewers out there that are inspired by our videos. So give those thumbs up. All right. And until next time, have a fabulous day, week, and keep coming back. Don't forget, you can click that bell button, then click receive all notifications so that you will be notified every time that we are uploading videos, because we don't just upload for Mini Kit Monday. All right, we'll see you next time. Bye.